each and every one of you. All right, I'm just quickly coming to show to you, what is really going on with the market. We have seen how the market began to tumble all the way down, right? About 44,000. Can you see that? Around 44,000, and I believe this is the bottom of it. And we are basically expecting for the market to recover. We are now currently trading above 50 over 1,000, 51 over 1,000. All right, and you can see that buyers are coming in. All right, buyers are coming in. These are the liquidation. Buyers are coming in, so the sellers are getting liquidated. Right, so buyers are coming in. This is a normal scenario. Okay, normal scenario when the price begin to dip, we start to see institutional players. Okay, will begin to start to come in, and they start to begin to buy the dip. Right, so this is the normal scenario. That's the reason why the dip will not last long. Okay, it is not like 2017 whereby when the price began to crash all the way from 20,000 to 3,000, it stays there. It stays there, right, for about 2 or 3 years. People get frustrated, right, holding Bitcoin for quite some time. But it doesn't happen now because of the institutionalized players. The private institutions are coming on board. So that is the reason why the dips may be there, but it quickly recovered. Okay, quickly rebounds. All right. So I'm still trading here. I waited actually for the complete dip to take place, and I woke up this morning and I found that, wow. Okay, I was like, wow. No, I didn't trade. I stopped my trade last night. I waited for this morning. So I saw that the bottom. So I went into the trade. Okay, you can see my market clicks now. This is a live trade, right? Live trade. You can see most of the markets are recovering. It is all getting back to green at the moment. So when we saw the crash, okay, or the dump on Bitcoin, all this market were actually in red, right? So this is the trade that I'm currently holding, all right? So I have, I think this is about close to about 200 over, all right? 200 over dollar, I think $250 worth of profit here, waiting to be closed at any time. All right, so I just leave this trade for a moment, okay, because I'm going to basically show to you very quickly how to close the trade. All right, how to close the trade and how you can take the trade, and also look at the fees over here. So we have the fees, which is the commission and also the realized P&L. So the unrealized is basically already included. All right, it is included with the $6 here. So at about 50x, you can see that the fees is about $6. At about 40x, the fees is about $4.8, right? So that's basically just to give you some idea of the fees. And I'm going to quickly take profit for all these 3 trades. And let me just quickly do it before your eyes, so that you know that we are really doing a live trading here. So this is exciting, and thereafter I'm going to put a few more trades. Okay, because the market is basically rebouncing. So this is a fantastic news, all right, for those who are trading together with me. So let's just quickly look into the progress of this market, all right, and I just going to quickly quickly just close all this trade and take the profit. So it is always important, okay, take the money. If you are profiting, take the money. Don't keep the money there, because the market can even go against you. All right, so this is so important for you to actually take the money, take as much as Bitcoin as possible, and place, okay, and position a fresh new trade. Right, so that's going to be exciting. So I'm trading currently comfortably at about 50x leverage. All right, as I mentioned to you, to the team earlier, please understand, you may not, okay, although you see me having a 5,000 here, I am not trading 5,000, right? I am basically only trading about $100 each of this trade. Okay, each of this trade is about $100. So I have find a way. If it is a 5,000, I will put my leverage at 50. So that is about $100. If I trade at 4,000, my leverage will be at 40x. So that is about $100. All right, let me just show you very quickly. So if I want to trade at 4,000, what I do, I put my leverage at 40. So you can see that is basically $100, right? So if I put at 2,000, and I will basically place my leverage at 20. So that will be basically another $100. Can you see that? So that is a simpler way that I have actually find a much simpler way. So you have to find your own, okay, your own way how you want to simplify, so that you understand the position that you are comfortable with. Understanding also your wallet management, okay, that is so important. Your wallet management is the key. All right, so every time you close the trade, make sure you add, okay, you add to your Bitcoin balance, okay, Bitcoin balance, and make sure also that you manage your wallet well. And if you already profiting, I would advise you that you withdraw your capital. All right, withdraw your capital for that day, so that you can continue to use your profit and start to trade and earn more profit on top of that. So keep compounding your Bitcoin at this moment. Now will be the right time for you to earn more Bitcoin when the price is low, because automatically the value of Bitcoin will increase when the Bitcoin price, okay, in USD increases. Can you see that? That is amazing, right? That is just amazing. All right, so let me just quickly close this trade live. So we have the first trade over here. So watch what happened at my balance. Okay, I have a 0.0138. So if I would close this trade at this moment, that will add, okay, into my balance over here. Congratulations. Wow, excellent job. That is about 109.45 profit after minus the $6. Right, let me just take this profit. So watch what happened. Now I have 0.01577 Bitcoin. All right, and I'm going to close the other two trade. Okay, we have the other two trade over here. So watch what happened, my balance. All right, so I'm going to close this trade. So that will be 0.017 Bitcoin. And finally, let me take this profit too. I'm going to close this trade. Okay, that is it. I have about 0.018. Can you see that? From 0.015, it has gone up all the way to 0.018. That's a fantastic, I will say, return. All right, if you are able to trade well, you understand when to enter, when to exit, and you really understand the price action of the candles. Okay, there is no technical analysis. Okay, no technical analysis required. If you are trading using my strategy, JD100X strategy, there is no technical analysis required. All right, it is 100% tactical analysis, and it is 100% wallet management. So if you desire to learn and you want to know more, all right, please send me an email at jdwealthmakeralliance@gmail.com. all right, send me those details. You can find those details, okay, in the description box under this video. Send me the information, okay, about yourself, so that I can send you details and you can look into how you can take up the one-on-one private consultation. All right, so that will be exciting. Let me just quickly look at what is really taking place in the 6 hour at this moment, and we also have to basically look at the 1 hour. Okay, this is the shorter time frame. We can see on the 1 hour, okay, green is basically taking dominions. Green army is back. Green army is taking dominion, although it is a smaller volume. Okay, but I believe this is a consolidation. Okay, this is a consolidation taking place, and we might see bullish. Okay, we might see a bullish run here very soon. All right, so please understand, you have to look, you have to be able to understand how you're going to see the directions of the market in order for you to trade. Okay, that is so important. So now I'm just going to quickly place another trade over here before I end this video. Right, let's just quickly do that. So I'm going to basically go for my 5,000. Okay, as I always do, and that is basically a 50x. All right, so what is the actual impact of the amount? I'm actually only, okay, my total impact is only about $100, $99.99. So in the event if I lose this trade, okay, I only lose, okay, the maximum of $99, but I have a leverage of $5,000 order size here. So that is fantastic at 50x. So that will give me a quicker reward in terms of profit if the market is actually in my favor, right? So that is important. So let me just quickly watch the condition of this candle, okay, before we even place the trade. So it is important for you to actually understand the candle. All right, at this moment, you know this is a consolidation. Okay, that shows a trend reversal over here, and it is basically consolidating at this moment. Now we also understand from the 6 hour that the red army is losing momentum. All right, the red army is losing momentum, and in 1 hour we can confirm that. So since the red army is losing momentum, we expect for the market to actually rebound, and due to that, I would basically prefer to buy up at this moment, not to buy down, to buy up at this moment. So if I want to buy up, I will wait for this candle to dip as low as possible. All right, dip as low as possible, and thereafter I'm going to play my position to buy up. All right, that's basically what I'm going to do here, understanding the analysis from the 6 hour and also a shorter time frame, which is basically 1 hour. Now let's just wait for this candle. At this moment, you can see this is currently about 3 o'clock in the morning. All right, 3 o'clock in the morning, US time. All right, so although 3 o'clock, the market is quite active at this moment. Okay, so let's just watch what is happening here. Since we don't have technical analysis, we basically look into understanding the candle, and we can predict the future. Right, that's what we do, and that's what you have learned. Okay, if you are basically been learning, this is what you actually learn. All right, so let me just quickly get to you here and show you how to place this trade very, very quickly. Just one trade, all right, just one trade to show to you how to go about it, so that you can take advantage. Also, please make sure you watch the funding here. Right, you watch the funding here. This is basically the 8 hours interval funding of the liquidity. All right, so always watch this funding and make sure that if it is possible, all right, exit the trade before the new funding take place. Okay, that is very, very important. Okay, because this is where you have the funding fees. Okay, there will be an additional funding fees when your trade is actually trading for the next 8 hours. Okay, there will be basically this additional funding fees. Okay, I'm just going to wait here for a while. This is just exciting. Okay, today is an exciting day. All right, let's just wait for a while. Let's just watch our 6 hour. So if you want to learn, all right, if you want to learn, do contact me at my email address, which is just below the description box in this video. All right, so that you can get all the detailed information. It is just a one-time special offer that I'm going to basically provide to the team, to the people who are interested. So come back to me, and this is going to be exciting. Now look at this candle. Okay, let me just make this candle a little bit more bigger. So it is very important. Watch the candle. Okay, can you see the tail over there? So the tail represent weakness. Okay, the tail represent weakness. Now look at what is going to happen. Since there is a tail over there, that represent weakness. Okay, and we might see a reversal. Okay, a reversal of this trend very, very soon. Okay, so just watch what is happening. So this is what we do. All right, this is what we do using JD100X strategy. Okay, you will be able to predict the net move of the market. So you will be able to place your trade accurately. This is the most important thing. The entry, okay, the entry strategy, you must make sure it is a perfect entry, all right? Perfect entry in order for you to enter this trade. All right, so let's just watch this. Okay, as I mentioned to you, all right, between 3 to 6 candle, we might see a reversal. All right, so because of the tails over here, the tail represent weakness, and this is a very, very important, okay, skills that you need to develop as you are trading. Okay, let's just continue to watch the market. Let's continue to watch the market. All right, so we have the tail over here. Okay, now we have the second candle. As I mentioned to you, 3 to 6 candle, we will see the reversal. All right, so let's just wait for this candle to weaken. Let's just wait for this candle to weaken. All right, please remember, as I mentioned to you, you are not just trading. All right, you are a warrior. You are in the battlefield. Wait for the army. Okay, wait for the army to lose their to lose their strength, okay? Once they are weakened, it is time for you to ambush, okay? It is time for you to go in and take control and take dominion, all right? So that is the most important thing. So you have to think like a warrior if you are trading, all right? It's so critical. Can you see that? This is the sign of a reversal, okay? A reversal, okay? So we might see a green candle appearing very soon. So let's just wait, okay? Do not rush into the trade, okay? It is always important for you to wait patiently. Can you see that? We predicted the future, right? Accurately, right? Accurately. Because once you understand how to read the price action, once you understand the story of the candle that is represented by the candle, you will be exactly, okay? You will exactly know how to predict the future, all right? So let's just wait. We can see that the green army and the red army is basically fighting over there, okay? Fighting over there. This is where it is a war on the 1 minute chart between the red army and the green army. All right, let's just watch what is happening here, because this is going to be a right moment, okay, for you to get ready and buy up. So I'm ready with my order size and my leverage. All right, I'm ready, but I'm not going to go in yet, okay? Because sometimes this can be a fake pump. All right? So we have to wait for a clear initiation candle and the continuation candle, okay? Please understand that we need a strong momentum. This is what we call an initiation candle, and thereafter you will have the continuation candle. So if you have the initiation, can you look at this, for example, right? This is the initiation candle, and we have the continuation candle, and the market is uptrending. All right, so we will wait for, you have to wait for that initiation candle and also a strong continuation candle, okay? So that is so important in order for you to actually place your trade. So I will wait, because this can be even a false pump at this moment. So we will wait for the next candle before we place the trade. So I'm ready to buy up. I'm waiting for the next candle, and here is it. Okay, that is it. So I'm going to go in and buy up over here. So I have placed my trade, okay, perfectly, just at the body, perfectly. All right, so this is how you decide. So when you place the trade, always expect, okay, expect for the lagging. There will be a spillage over here. Okay, there can be a minus, but don't worry about it, because if you get the momentum right, that is where you're going to able to see that this negative will start to turn positive, and you will start to enjoy, okay, the reward of your trading over here. Can you see that? And also please understand, can you see at 50x that is about $6, commission $3, and realized PNL is $3. Okay, that's basically the fees over there. So if I want to close this trade, I need to make sure that this trade is closed above $6. All right, so that's important, because at this moment your unrealized profit and loss is already factoring the commission and also the profit and loss. All right, so that's just to give you some G's, okay, some idea how you can benefit from trading leverage. All right, so this is exciting, especially earning an asset-based income by basically utilizing your own skills, okay, your own skills, and taking control of the market. All right, that is the most important thing. So I hope you enjoyed this video. We will catch up once again very soon with another episode. God bless each and every one of you.